And welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. With the highly anticipated first day-night test match in Jamaica to bowl off in less than 24 hours, West Indies captain Ruston Chase says the home side is yet to name its final 11. Chase also gave his views on the newly installed lights at Sabina Park.
Cricket fans in Jamaica and around the Caribbean will have to wait until the toss to see whether the coaching staff makes any changes to the team which lost the first two test matches. This is after Captain Ruston Chase at Friday's pre-match media engagement said the men in maroon are still deliberating.
Well, obviously, the top order is a bit of a concern. Obviously, not getting those good starts that we've been looking for, and then obviously with the spinner, the extra seamer going out and probably spinner coming back in.
Meanwhile, in the aftermath of coach Darren Sammy stating that Craig Brathwaite's form was worrisome 5 days ago, Chase was pressed to say whether the former captain would be dropped for this weekend's third test.
Well, I can't say that. The discussion around the final 11 hasn't been had yet, so we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Chase further gave his assessment and concerns about the freshly installed lights at Sabina Park.
Yeah, they're bright, but I think they're a bit low for my liking. They seem a bit low, but it's what we have to work with, so we can't really come and complain about it or whether what is put in front of us we have to deal with. Judging from past experience on different grounds with low lighting, it's a bit harder to pick up the drop zone of the ball, but I mean, we did a bit of feeling yesterday, and the guys look okay. No one really complained, but it's just my personal opinion. I think that the lights look a bit low.
Chase's highest test score of 137 not out was made versus India at Sabina Park in 2016. He had this message for the Jamaican public.
I always love playing cricket in Jamaica. I mean, the team loves playing here. It's always a vibe, it's always an energy with the dancehall music and stuff like that. And then obviously we have some dancehall artists that supposed to perform. Ray Marshall came and greeted us yesterday. So it's a good feeling playing cricket in Jamaica. It's always exciting. Obviously it's the first big ball test, so the guys are really looking forward to that. And we hope that the crowd will come up and support the team.
With the Australians also keeping their final 11 close to their chests, skipper Pat Cummins is banking on whatever 11 is chosen to complete the series sweep.
It's mainly the pink ball, trying to still get our heads around exactly what it's going to do. We've had 2 sessions here. Again, see how the pitch looks. You know, we're still kind of 30 or 24 hours out. So yeah, really just trying to get our heads around and kind of have another day to think about kind of what the exact makeup will be.
The third test is set to bowl off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Garfield. And staying with the upcoming test, Jamaican opener John Campbell gave his assessment after practicing with the pink ball during the West Indies lone practice session under lights on Thursday night.